Okay, now we can see next question we have sin theta into cosec theta divided by sec theta is equal to cos theta. So we can solve this. The question is very easy here. So we will be taking from LHS. We have sin theta multiplied by cosec theta divided by sec theta. So we know very well the sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. So we can write as sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, and this cosec theta will be as it is. Cosec theta the whole divided by this sec theta. So we know that we can easily cancel cosec theta denominator and the cosec theta from the numerator. This one cosec theta and this cosec theta got cancelled, and what is remaining in our hand, that is 1 by 1 divided by cosec theta. So 1 by 1 is again 1, so we can directly write 1 by sec theta. So we know that 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta. So this is our remaining answer, that is RHS proved. So now let's come to second question. We have tan theta multiplied by cot theta divided by sec theta into cosec theta equals to tan theta cos theta. So again this question is very simple. Let's solve it by LHS. It's given that tan theta multiplied by cot theta divided by sec theta multiplied by cosec theta. So again the situation is same like question number A. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So in place of tan theta we can use formula that tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and the remaining another cot theta will be as it is, and in denominator we'll write as it is, that is sec theta into cosec theta. So we know well again this cot theta from numerator and this cot theta from denominator can easily cancel by 1. So what is in our hand now? 1 by cosec theta and 1 by cosec theta. So we can write 1 by sec theta multiplied by cosec theta. So we can again split into two terms, that is 1 by sec theta multiplied by 1 by cosec theta. So we know that again this one and this one is same. 1 by sec theta is equal to cos theta, and 1 by cos theta we can see 1 by cos theta, again another you can see 1 by cos theta that we derive from the sin theta. So 1 by cos theta is equal to sin theta, and this is our remaining answer, that is equal to RHS. Okay, so question is very simple. So again let's come to question number C, that we have sin theta into cosec theta divided by cos theta into cosec theta. So we can write here solution. We will be doing from LHS. LHS equals to, we have sin theta multiplied by cosec theta divided by cos theta into cosec theta. So here, sorry, I have made a question, I have made one mistake over here. We have here sin square theta and cos square theta. We have sin square theta and cos square theta. Okay, so we can again solve it is very easily. We can write sin theta multiply by cosec theta divided by cos theta multiply by cosec theta. We can add a square over here. I'm sorry, I forgot to add the square. Sin square theta into cos square theta, and this cos theta and cos theta will be as it is, and we can cancel here cosec theta and cosec theta by 1. Okay, so we have sin square theta into 1 divided by cos square theta. So we can write sin square theta divided by cos square theta. So we know by the formula tan square theta equals to sin square theta by cos square theta. Therefore sin square theta divided by cos square theta is equal to tan square theta, and this is our remaining answer, RHS. So for the next question, we'll be going on another page. We have cos alpha. Next question is cos alpha into cosec alpha into tan alpha divided by sin alpha into sec alpha into cot alpha is equal to 1. So again, this question looks very lengthy, but it's very simple. Solution we have given in LHS. We have cos alpha dot cosec alpha dot tan alpha divided by sin alpha into sec alpha into cot alpha. So we have cos alpha into cosec alpha into tan alpha divided by sin alpha into sec alpha into cot alpha. So we can write here, we can change in the form of cos alpha is equal to 1 by sec alpha. Yes, or we can change the denominator, or we can change only the numerator. So let's change the denominator here. Cos alpha equals to 1 by sec alpha multiply by cosec alpha equals to 1 by sin alpha, and tan alpha equals to 1 by cot alpha whole divided by, now this is converted in the form of fraction. So again we'll be writing here 1 by sin theta, sec theta and cot theta. We'll be writing 1 divided by, sorry, not theta, alpha, sin alpha, sec alpha and cot alpha. So we can see this sec alpha and this sec alpha get cancelled. In this way we can write 1 by sec alpha into 1 by sin alpha into 1 by cot alpha multiply by 1 by, sorry, this the denominator will go into numerator and numerator will come into denominator. Like we can write here sin alpha into sec alpha into cot alpha divided by 1. So we can see this sec alpha and this sec alpha is cancelled, this sin alpha and this sin alpha gets cancelled, and this cot alpha and this cot alpha gets cancelled. So we have 1 divided by 1, that is equals to 1, and it is our RHS. Proved. So here now we can see we have next question, cot square alpha into cot square A into sec A divided by cos square A dot sin square A equals to sec A cosec to the power 4A. So let's solve it. Solution we will be solving by LHS again. Given that cot square alpha dot sec alpha, so sorry, this is alpha A divided by cos square A dot sine square A. So what we can do here, we have to bring it in the form of sec A and cosec A. So will you converting this sine A in the form of cosec A, or we can use the formula like this. Cot square A means cos square A divided by sine square A. We have cos square A divided by sine square A multiply by sec A divided by cos square A dot sine square A. So here what we can see, that we have cos square A, sine square A, cos square A multiply by sine square A. So we know that we can cancel this sine square A and sine square A, but we cannot, just because we need the cosec to the power 4A. So what we cannot do is, we will cancel this cos square A and cos square A in this way. This cos square A and this cos square A got cancelled. So we have 1 by sine square A into sec A divided by sine square A. So we can see, when you multiply from 1 to sec A, we get sec A by sine square A divided by sine square A. So again what we can do here is, we can write sec A by 1 by cosec square A divided by 1 by cosec square A, that we get equals to sec A dot cosec square, and cosec square is cos to the power 4A, because these two get multiplied, and when we reverse it, we will get cosec to the power 4A. We will get cosec to the power 4A. So this is our answer, and this was for today. Thank you.